Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Moving Minds with Money. So, as you can see, brand new channel. Um, for you, those of you who recognize me, I'm back. So basically, what happened to the new people? I got hacked. So our channel got hacked, and we lost a channel with about 25. I think it was 24.5k subscribers. So yes, that's quite a big oof. But you have to keep grinding, keep the grind. Our security is quite better this time. We're also using a VPN and stuff, so yes. um, so today I'm gonna teach you something it's quite exciting, I'm not gonna lie. And basically I'm gonna show you the 7 best side hustles you can do in 2022 to make you rich. So I'm not saying extremely rich, I'm talking about 500, maybe 600 extra dollars a week. And I know most of us can use that. I could when I started, and look where I'm now. So basically, I'm going to give you a list of 7 side hustles. And how I rated the 7 side hustles is through personal experience. Also the time you have to put in, the effort you have to put in, the initial costs, because you'll see a lot of people telling you there's free ways. And yes, there's free ways. Check out our channel. There's a lot of free ways to make money, but these are not, let me tell you, it's more like a continuous deal than a once-off deal. And that's what our channel will focus on mostly. And also with the time and money, also the return. So what you'll get back on average. So yeah, before we get into that, remember, check out the link in the description if you want to make $25 to $50 an hour. Just take the quiz in the description and see. It's basically you get paid to scroll through Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. And obviously the best part is you can work from home. Don't get me wrong, you'll have to work that hour for the $25 to $50, but I mean that's a good return. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into this. So in the 7th position, we have to go with drop servicing. So I know a lot of you guys have heard of drop shipping. You've seen it on Instagram. You've seen this 17-year-old being a millionaire from drop shipping. They've showed you the stats and everything, but what they haven't showed you is the money they have to put in. Some of them you see this $18,000 in a day, but you know what, they give out $17,000. So yeah, if you have that kind of money, go ahead. I mean, it's a great service. One of the best ways to make money if you have money. But if you are tight on a budget, I'll suggest drop servicing. So basically what drop servicing is, it works the same as drop shipping. This is how I started. I started with drop servicing before it was a name. And yes, at this moment, I'll show you somewhere on the screen, it's not illegal. So now your eyes are big because you are thinking, why would it be illegal? Okay, so basically, you create an account on, let's say, Fiverr or Upwork, and you say, let me take an example of ghostwriting. Okay, cool. So you write your name and say, I will create a 1,000-page ebook for $200, let's say that. Now you're looking at me and thinking, well, I don't know how to write an ebook. Don't worry, no one has time for writing an ebook except for the freelancers who actually does it. So basically you do that on Upworks. Then you go to Fiverr as soon as you get an order, and you basically search 1,000-page or 1,000-word or 1,000-page ebook, whatever was in your title, and you tell them, well, as soon as you get a gig, as soon as someone orders something from you, you go to Fiverr and you'll see, okay, cool, this guy's charging $50 for 1,000-page. So you wait for your payment on Upworks, you pay the guy on Fiverr, and then as soon as he's done, you just send over the product to your customer, and basically that's an easy way to make $150. But the problem is, if he's not happy, you'll have to pay again, and that's the only big problem with drop servicing, but that rarely happens. I started off with website development. Like, I had no idea how to do website development, but that was a high income skill. So basically, I charged $1,000 on Upwork, and then as soon as I get paid, I pay on Fiverr like $200, and I make $800 return. And I made 5 to 10 of these sales a week. So yeah, something to consider, definitely. And I'll also leave a drop servicing course down below if you want to check that out. And yeah, let's move on. So, number 6 is domain flipping. I know all of you have heard about domain flipping. Well, I think most of you have heard of website flipping. So this is something I've worked with before. I haven't actually put a lot of effort in. I think I made about $500 in total on domain flipping, not gonna lie. But yeah, if you know what you're doing, it's quite nice. So basically, with domain flipping, you go to a website like well, any domain website. So you go to Flipper or you go to wherever, and GoDaddy is a nice example, and you get a website. You basically buy a URL, and then you go on Flipper. So let's say you bought it for 25 USD. You go on Flipper, you list it there for 250 USD, and no, you just made 10 times your money if it sells. But now you're looking at me and saying, Trax, that's too easy. How does it work? That's impossible. I mean, yes, it is too easy. Let me explain the problem with that. So basically, it's only .com, .org, .uk, it's all those, but that's the URLs that sell. But the big problem is, it doesn't help you buy a URL that say, I can't even think of something. Let's say Fino.com. What is Fino? Does anyone need it? No. But for example, the insurance.com website was bought for $100 and it sold for over $1 million. So if you can somehow use that big brain of yours and, get a website that someone needs, someone globally needs, and you can sell it, then you're set for life. But that's the problem. It's not as easy as I said. Not even gonna lie about it. So yeah, I'm not gonna leave a link for a course for that. I am gonna make a YouTube video about it soon though. Actually, I'm gonna make a video of all this stuff, explaining it step by step. I'm just giving you like a rough summary of how to do it and what it is. And I'll leave a few courses down below if you guys want to check it out. And then in number 5. Okay, so I know it's rated number 5, but this was for a long time my main source of income. I don't know if you guys have heard of the Billionaire blog. We recently closed it down. But yes, that was I was the CEO of that blog, and with my partner. So basically we started off in 2016 and we just kept blogging, and we watched all the tutorials on YouTube. We did everything. So basically people say just blog, post once a week, and we just decided, nope, we're gonna post every single day, up to 4 posts each a day. And with we had to get an SEO expert to help us get indexed on Bing and Google. But I mean, that's not the biggest problem. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll also leave a full course on that. But basically, blogging is an amazing way. It's an amazing side hustle. So as soon as you get indexed and you get enough views, you get on AdSense, you get paid per 1,000 views per ad on your blog. So let's say you get 10,000 views. You can easily make $30-40 a day, easily. And with that, there's a lot of other ways to make money with a blog. You can later sell merchandise. You can, and I'm just talking. Actually, I'm not even sure. Like, the only problem is you need to pick a niche. But what we did, we sold exercise plans because my business partner, is a bodybuilder. So we did that. We sold fitness merch. Actually, is one of our clothing behind me. So we also did affiliate marketing. So basically, now I'll get into affiliate marketing quite a bit later. And yeah, and then so blogging, it's nice. The only problem with blogging is it's quite expensive. If you don't have a lot of money, I'm not saying a lot of money. Let's say you need at least $50 a month investment, unless you want to get like a SEO expert and all those stuff. But yeah, that's actually not that bad, come to think about it. And then yeah, moving on. So my number 4 method of making money, and I've used this a lot, and I seriously suggest you do this. It's creating a subscription website. So basically, you create a website that encourages your customers to pay you monthly for a service. So from the top of my head, I'm thinking that WatchGang. I know you guys heard of WatchGang. So basically, WatchGang offers a random watch every single month to, okay, just for mentioning them, I'm going to put them down in the bio so I don't get copy striked or something. But yeah, basically they give a watch every single month that you pay. So they've got like 3 or 4 tiers, I'm not even sure. So it's like gold, silver, and so I know the cheapest tier is like 29 USD. So you pay 29 USD and they send you a watch, and that's every single month. And every single month you've got a chance of winning a Rolex, or a tag, or a fancy watch. I'm not a big watch fan, so I don't know, but yeah. So that's a great idea. So if you have something that people want, then you definitely need to do something like this. But don't go buy fake books and sell it and think people will subscribe. I mean, maybe some will, but it needs to be a brilliant idea. And that's the biggest problem with the subscription website, is you need to have a great idea, a great product. And then yeah, moving on. So my number 3 way of making money is a YouTube channel. So I know you've all heard this YouTube channel. How easy can it be? It's so hard to get seen. I know, it's very hard. But as I've said a million times in my videos, consistency. You basically need to beat your competition, and if you can't beat them, join them. So at the beginning, copy what they are doing. Honestly, don't tell anyone you heard it from me, but copy what they are doing. And except for that, be more consistent, work harder. If your competition posts 2 times a week, you post 4 times a week. Actually, no, post 2 times a day, and that's how you beat your competition. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So with YouTube, as soon as you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you get monetized. Then you get paid, like with vlogging, per 1,000 views. And with YouTube, you can always do affiliate marketing. You can always do your drop servicing. You can do all of these stuff. So this is something you really, really need to do. You should have done it yesterday. Start that YouTube channel. Stop being shy. I'm like the shyest person you'll ever meet. Just stop it. Okay, moving on. Number 2. So, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically the best way to make money um, by far. So affiliate marketing is for those of you who don't know, you've all seen a salesperson coming to your house, trying to sell you a new TV or new cell phone or whatever. Affiliate marketing is that. You are an online salesperson. The only thing is you can sit at home doing that. You don't need to walk from house to house. Basically, it's so easy to make money with affiliate marketing. And in the next few videos, I'll show you a full guide on affiliate marketing just to help you guys out. Because yeah, I'm not gonna go into it too much today because I'm quite passionate about affiliate marketing, and this video will be 2 hours long if I start talking about it. So yeah, and then the last method, the last way to make money from home is by subscribing to our channel. I mean, come on, we give you daily motivation, daily ways to make money, and all of them are tested and are legitimate, and we'll always show you our stats and how we made money, what we did. And yeah, just follow us. A step-by-step guide will be given to you every single day. And yeah, before we go away, remember to take the quiz, the online social media job quiz. So basically, it's a buddy of mine created this system that basically they pay you to sit and look for ads through Facebook and Instagram and all the social media. I've never actually tried it, but 2 of my mates have tried it and they've paid between 25 and 50 USD, so that's not bad. So before you go, link is in the bio, check it out, take the quiz. I think it takes like a minute or something. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Cheers guys.